Hello friends, last video we learned what is Spearman's rank correlation method. Now the question arises that after seeing the question, how we are supposed to identify that we are supposed to use Karl-Pearson method or Spearman method. For that, in question clearly it will be mentioned that we are supposed to calculate rank correlation coefficient or just correlation coefficient. If the word rank is mentioned, then compulsory we are supposed to use Spearman's rank correlation. And if simply it is given that find correlation coefficient, at that time we need to use the Karl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. Now here, as they are asking to calculate rank correlation coefficient, so we need to use Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Now here, either they will give directly the rank in the question, or they will give the variables. If they are giving directly rank, then we can just find out the value of D. But if they are giving variable x and y, then we need to assign the rank according to the number. Higher number will be given first rank and so on. So here directly they are given the rank by manager 1 and rank by manager 2. So this is Rx, this is Ry, rank of variable x, rank of variable y. Now here we need to find out the value of D and D square. Here directly rank are given, so we can find out the value of D. The formula is Rx into Ry, that is rank of x minus rank of y. So we will be getting the value of D, then we are supposed to do the square of D. So at last we will be getting sigma D square using the formula 1 minus 6, replacing the value of D square, that is 12 upon n, and that is number of observations. Here 7 observations were given, so 7 square, that is 49 minus 1. After solving, we got the answer 0.79. Here also we are supposed to interpret the R as we did in Karl-Pearson's method. As it is positive, so there is positive correlation, and the answer is not very near to 1. So we can say that there is partial positive correlation. Thank you.
If you want to see short videos of accounts, like statistics, go to the description and follow the link.